Hello dear students, welcome back to the class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Yes? Okay, now without late, we'll get into the lesson now. Okay? So first you have to take your English textbook and the page number is 6. Okay? What is the page number is? 6. S-I-X 6. So everyone, you have to take the page number 6 and today we are going to see about Ammu only. So since 3-4 days onwards we are watching and we are learning about Ammu only. Yes? Who is Ammu? Ammu is a little girl and we are learning about her family. Yes. So Ammu has one nice family. In her family, how many members are living with her? Yes, including Ammu, there are the 6 members in Ammu's family. Yes, so there is her grandfather, she has one grandmother, father, mother, brother and Ammu itself. So there are the total 6 members in Ammu's family. Yes, now she has the new friends who Ammu likes to join with them, means in her family. She likes to join them in her family. So who are these? The members? Yes, there is one dog and one squirrel. So here they also have some names. So what is the name of that dog is? Yes, its name is Doggy. And what is the name of the squirrel is? Yes, the name of the squirrel is Bittu. And in the previous class, we have seen that Bittu can speak here. So, who can speak? Bittu. And here Bittu is speaking with Ammu. So, these all things we have seen in our previous class. So, today we are going to start a new lesson which is Bittu stays with Ammu. So, what is the name of the lesson is? Bittu stays with Ammu. So, all of you let's take out fast page number 6 and the lesson name is Bittu stays with Ammu. So, here Bittu. Who is Bittu this? B-I-T-T-U, Bittu. Yes, it is a squirrel. See, where is the squirrel here? Yes, it is in Ammu's hand. And now here this Bittu wanted to stay with Ammu. So, what it is asking to Ammu? So, in the bracket here given, Ammu asked Bittu. Here, the first Ammu is asking to Bittu. What she is asking to Bittu? Will you stay with me in our house? So, Ammu is asking to whom, children? Yes, she is asking to Bittu that, will you stay with me in our family, in our house? Then what Bittu says to Ammu? Then Bittu says, yes. Who are there in your family? Bittu. He likes to stay with Ammu and he said, yes, I am ready to stay with you, but tell me, who are there in your family with you? How many members are there in your family? Then here in this picture there is Ammu, Bittu and Doggy. Actually this is a puppy, this is a squirrel, but they have the names. The squirrel name is Bittu and the puppy name is Doggy. Yes, so here Ammu made the friendship with Bittu. In our previous class, we have seen that she has made the friendship with Bittu. Yes, when Doggy is going to catch the squirrel, it is shouting, it is barking on Bittu, on the squirrel. Then Ammu said to stop, Doggy. She is stopping to Doggy, not to do. And then in the next picture, we have seen that Bittu is saying to Ammu that it can speak. I can speak means who can speak here? Squirrels can speak. And then squirrel said to Ammu, I can speak. Then squirrel said to Ammu, my name is Bittu. What is your name? Then Ammu, she got surprised when the squirrel is speaking. Then Ammu said, my name is Ammu. Yes. So now they made the friendship with each other and here Ammu asked Bittu that it can stay in her family. Then Bittu said, yes, I will live with you, I will stay with you, but you have to tell me who are there in your family, in your house. Then again Ammu is asking, will you stay with me? Then what the squirrel said here? Yes, who are there in your family? Now Bittu wanted to know that with Ammu how many members are living and who are the members in her family who are staying with Ammu. And now see here how this dog is watching to both of them because they both are speaking with each other. They are talking with each other. No? So here Ammu wanted to tell the squirrel to stay with her, and here squirrel also, this Bittu also is ready to stay with Ammu. Yes. Now here the two questions which are given down. Just look at these two questions. What would Ammu say now? See, the first question Ammu asked to Bittu, will you stay with me? Nu naatone untava? Then Bittu said, yes. Who are there in your family? Now you tell me, what would Ammu say now? When Bittu asked Ammu that, who are there in your family, then what would Ammu say to Bittu? She will say that, yes, I have one grandfather, one grandmother, my father, mother and my younger brother who lives or they stay with me or I am staying with them. No, they are my family members. So we all live together. This would be the answer Ammu's to the Bittu. And next, what is the next question is, what would Bittu say to Ammu? Okay, when Ammu said to the Bittu that, yes, we are the 6 members in our family, my grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, my brother and me. Then what would the Bittu say to the Ammu? He likes to stay with them, no? Then he'll say, okay, then I'm ready to stay with you. The Bittu gives the answer to the Ammu. So this would be the answer. Okay. Now let's come. Then what the answer Ammu gives to the Bittu. Let's see into the next page. So for that you have to come to the page number 7. Okay. Let's come on to the page number 7, children. Okay. Here is the page number is 7. What is the page number? It is 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. So this is the page number 7. All of you open it. And here now Ammu is going to sing a song about her family. Sing the song. Ammu is singing about her family members. So there are how many members in Ammu's family? Yes, there are the 6 members in her family. But now in this picture, who is missing in this picture, children? Here Ammu's grandfather who is sitting here. Ammu's grandmother also is looking here. Ammu's brother is looking here. Ammu's mother is looking here. Ammu itself, she is also looking here. But one member is missing here. Who is it? Yes, he is Ammu's father. Ammu's father is missing here. He might be gone to the work. No? So here now Ammu is going to tell to Squirrel, to Bittu about her family members. Now what she is going to tell? Now she is telling in a rhythmic way. She is singing a song about her family members. So we'll also sing the song with Ammu. Okay. Okay, now Ammu is singing the song about her family members is, this is my grandmother sitting in a chair. This is my grandfather sitting on a stool. This is my dear mother playing with my brother. This is my little brother sitting in her lap. So here Ammu is singing the song about her family members. What she is saying? This is my grandmother sitting in a chair. So who is this ladies? Yes, she is Ammu's grandmother. And where she is sitting, children? Yes, she is sitting on a chair. So she is saying that this is my grandmother and who is sitting on the chair. Okay, next. This is my grandfather sitting on a stool. Who is this man who is drinking tea here? Yes. He holds a cup of tea and a saucer in his hand, and who is sitting on the stool here. Yes. So she is saying that this is my grandfather and who is sitting on the stool. Grandmother is sitting on a chair and grandfather is sitting on the stool. Next to come to the stanza. In the next stanza she has said about her mother, this is my dear mother playing with my brother. So who is this lady who is looking here? Yes, she is Ammu's mother. And what she's doing, children? She is playing with her brother. Who is this boy? Who is on the lap of her mother? He is Ammu's brother. And this both mother and son both are playing here. So Ammu is saying, this is my mother and she is playing with my brother. And next, this is my little brother sitting on her lap. Lap ante odlo కూర్చున్నాడు. Okay, so here this is Ammu's brother who is sitting on the lap of her mother. Whose mother? Ammu's mother. So these are the 4 members. About them, Ammu sang a song. Let's sing once again. Okay. This is my grandmother sitting in a chair. This is my grandfather sitting on a stool. This is my dear mother playing with my brother. This is my little brother sitting in her lap. So this is a song what Ammu sang to Bittu to say more about her family members. She is showing to Bittu that her grandmother is sitting on the chair, grandfather is sitting on a stool. She is her mother who is playing with her brother, and here her brother who is sitting on the lap of her mothers. Okay, so Ammu sang here one song to tell to Bittu about their family members. Okay, so here all in the box they have given some questions which we have to solve now, children. So what is the first question is given here? Who are these people? Who are these people means, see on the page number 7 some of the pictures which are given here, and they are asking us who are these people. Now tell me, who are these people, children? Yes, they are the Ammu's family members. Who are these people all? Ammu's family members. Who are they? He is Ammu's grandfather, Ammu's grandmother, Ammu's mother and Ammu's brother. So these are the Ammu's family members. Okay. Now what is Ammu singing about her grandmother and mother? So what is Ammu singing about her grandmother? What she sang? Yes, she said, this is my grandmother sitting in a chair. What did she say? What did she say to her about her grandmother? She said, this is my grandmother who is sitting on a chair. And the next one is about her mother also. What did she say about her mother to Bittu? She said, this is my dear mother playing with my brother. Yes, so here her dear mother, she loves to Ammu a lot. That's why she used the word dear here. And she said, she is my dear mother who is playing with my brother. Means she is playing with Ammu's brother. Understood? So these are the 2 questions which are given here. Who are these people? These are the people, Ammu's family members. And Ammu is saying about her grandmother. She is sitting on a chair and mother is playing with her brother. Okay? Got it, children? Now you understood, children, what here Ammu's grandmother is doing and grandfather what he is doing, what Ammu's mother is doing and brother. So she has given the introduction to Bittu about their family members. Now she has made the friendship with Bittu because Bittu wanted to stay with Ammu. Now when Ammu asked Bittu that, would you like to stay with me? Then Bittu said, yes, I like to stay with you. Now you have to tell me who are there in your family. Then Bittu has said, Ammu has said about her family members to Bittu. Now Bittu came to know that who are there in her family, how many members are there and who are they. So here are Ammu's grandmother, grandfather, mother, brother and father who lives with Ammu. Okay, now one more member have joined here in Ammu's family. Who is it? Yes, it is Bittu. Understood? So I hope you all understood this song. And here what Ammu and Bittu have spoke with each other. Okay. So once again you have to sing this song in a rhythmic way. Learn this song. You have to make this song about you can sing this about your family members also. If you have your grandfather, grandmother, you can sing for them also. Or about your mother, father also, brother, sister, you can sing this song. Okay. So I hope you all children are enjoying these lessons and doing your homeworks in time. Write neatly your homeworks and improve your handwriting. Okay children. So I hope you all have understood this lesson. Soon we will meet in our next session with the new lesson. Okay.